What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making some Carne Asada tacos. We got some skirt steak here and some other stuff, so come on in, check it out, and let's get it cracking. All right, so we got some corn tortillas. Throw them out at the end. We got some homemade salsa here. We got some cilantro and some red onion. And then we got the skirt steak here. It's already seasoned and ready to go. So let's get it going. We got the griddle nice and hot. We're at about 350 right now, so I'm gonna just basically just start throwing this stuff on there. I'm just gonna leave them in the big pieces that they're in, just like so, and then just get them all on here, fill up this whole griddle. No? No. All right, so we got all this on here. How many pounds is this? 6. We got 6 pounds of the skirt steak here. It's all seasoned up, ready to go. So I got one more big piece here. I just don't have enough room on the griddle to throw that on there. So I'm gonna let this cook up a little bit, move the stuff over, get it on, and bring it right back. Boom. Use that. We got all the meat off. I just got my piece right here. I'm gonna get some oil going right here. Spread that around real quick. We're gonna get some corn tortillas cooking up right here. I have these 2 burners off. And we still got a decent amount of residual heat over there, so we're good. So let's go ahead and just throw some of these bad boys on. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this. This looks amazing. Oh, man, I love me some red onion with my tacos. Get in there. I don't want to waste it. That is good. Put a little bit of that homemade salsa on there. Ooh, that is legit. Well, that's all I got pretty much. This meat comes from La Central in Plano, Illinois. I don't know if any of my watchers are from that area, but man, it is some good stuff. They season it for you and everything. Great stuff. So that's all I got. I'm gonna get in and eat some dinner. Appreciate you guys coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget we're giving away a griddle. Not sure what size yet. For my 1,000 subscriber. A 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So make sure you tune in for that, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Good? Mm-hmm.